A 24-year-old construction worker from Orlando is dead after witnesses say he was struck by lightning and fell from a roof.
It happened yesterday at a home under construction on Sterling Point Drive in Deltona. As West 2's Claire Metz reports, OSHA is now investigating.
Construction has stopped for now at a Deltona home where a worker fell off the roof and later died. Representatives from OSHA and Builders First Source, the company overseeing construction, were at the site. Neither would comment.
Someone has fallen from a roof and I think he's unconscious.
A passerby called 911 after being waved down by other workers at the house just after 2 in the afternoon.
They're saying he was struck by lightning.
Oh, okay.
That's what they're saying.
The victim, identified as Edwin Velasquez Cinto, was gravely injured and rushed to the hospital. He died there despite life-saving efforts by first responders. According to the sheriff's report, a co-worker saw the victim get struck by lightning, then observed him fall through an opening in the roof, through wooden trusses, and onto the concrete foundation pad. Investigators say the victim was bleeding from a severe head injury, but had other indications on his body that were consistent with a lightning strike, including singe marks on his shoes, socks melted to his feet, the smell of burned hair. According to the sheriff's report, the victim lived in Apopka and has a brother living in Orlando. We reached out to the brother. A friend answered the phone. He said they're all too upset to speak about this right now, but that they're working to get the victim back to his home country of Guatemala. We could see OSHA representatives doing interviews, taking notes and pictures, even as storms were moving in again. Meanwhile, the medical examiner's office is, of course, involved, doing an autopsy to determine the exact cause of the worker's death. In Deltona, Volusia County, Claire Metz, West 2 News.